Hi and welcome to our video on the Proxmark3 RDV version 4, which myself and Sharka both ordered through the Kickstarter program. When we ordered the Pentester Pro version. It arrived prior to the official release at DEF CON 26, so the initial configuration and instructions are limited at present. So we're going to go through and do an unboxing and go through some of the component parts with you. One of the things I will say is the initial box that it's coming is one of the coolest parts of it.
Pretty cool. So let's see what's in the box.
We'll say we've been through this box now a fair few times, so the order of things might not be exactly the same as yourself.
It will look as used as this. So this is the Proxmark3 RDV4 device. As you can see, this is the RDV2. So in comparison to the RDV2, the casing is just more compact and covert and perfect for pen testers, really. Design-wise, it's a huge step, of course. When we first opened, we were wondering what's the difference between the antennas, because the RDV2, you can see there is the low frequency and high frequency antennas, whereas in here the antennas have been combined and now are dual high frequency and low frequency in the Iceman collection. That's really pretty.
So on the top of the Proxmark itself, we have 4 LEDs for the power. We also have 4 LEDs again for the modes. With this, we also got the Allen key and a plectrum, which can help open up the Proxmark, and it helps with it being magnetic because of all the small screws.
Yeah, it's clear that, you know, lots of work has gone into improving the functionality since the RDV2. So let's cover some of the new additions. Some of them are not available yet because, as we said, it will be released during DEF CON. So at this point we're more curious and excited, so that's why we're showing it. But the full functionality will be there after DEF CON.
Yeah, we're hoping that the community are going to contribute to the firmware and help some of the extensibility and some of the newer functions that they've included on the hardware side. So what we did do, we bought the Pentester Pro Pack, which included the Iceman collection, which comprises of the 3 dual antennas, being the high frequency and the low frequency. Shark is now going to take one of these apart to show you the actual coils inside itself.
Yeah, we were wondering for a little while where
things go.
Yeah, where the low frequency antenna is, because we've seen
is here. So what we have in addition to the Iceman is also the single antenna here. What it has is the 13.56. It's screwed on by 6 little screws.
As you can see, the coil for the high frequency one is here. So when we were trying to find where's the low frequency one, here. So okay, so as well as this, we have the standalone long range high frequency antenna. It detects the 13.5 megahertz. We are yet to test it, so it's this one.
This goes on to the Proxmark. I'm just going to demo it, show you how it goes on.
Yeah, it's pretty easy. Like it's.
They just attach here. So before we've got the 6 screws that go on.
Yeah, so we are yet to test it. It should have like longer range, but we will come back with the results later.
Yeah, on the website it says between 4 and 8 centimeters. So we'll get a chance to test that.
And that is a new functionality. So another new addition is this. So this is a SIM card and smart card adapter extension module. So we were wondering, how do you go about testing the card? So these are the cards like this. So the chip is here. So you can see how it gets wrapped, and here on the PCB how you attach the module.
Okay. So I think this is part of the new part that needs to be extended out and worked upon within the community. So hopefully you'll be looking forward to seeing what that brings. Okay. So in addition to this, what we've also got is some testing cards. So we had the high frequency and the low frequency cards. And what you can do with these is use them against the Proxmark with the HW tune command within the software. Now we managed to get the Proxmark to work with the Iceman repro. However, on the forum it has been commented that some of the features included in the latest upgrade may not be available just yet within this repo, and the guys are working actively on it.
So yeah, it will be definitely available after DEF CON. We were just a little curious and wanted to make it work, because it works, the firmware works from the older RDV2 version, so it was not completely straightforward, so it took us some time to make it work, but we made it work. We will be writing a blog post about it, as well as releasing a snapshot of the virtual machine with working everything already installed. So we expect further information to be released after DEF CON. We will be testing it further as well, and you can find more information soon or on our own blog.
Yep, it's maisie.tech, and also keep an eye on the official channels. Right, thank you.